Good morning, children. Sai Ram. Today we are going to continue with EVS 2. Chapter 5 Shivaji's Education. Children, this is part 5. And we are going to start this part with new words. So let's start. Your first word injustice. 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 Injustice means unfair. Regime. 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 Regime means administration. Preparations. PREPARATIONS. Preparations means getting ready. Prestigious. PRESTIGIOUS. Prestigious means respected. Efficiently. EFFICIENTLY. Efficiently means professionally or expertly. Administer. ADMINISTER. Administer means managing or controlling. Grievances. GRIEVANCES. Grievances means injustice or unjust act. Inflicted. INFLICTED. Inflicted means force or impose. Riot. RYOT. Riot. Now riot means what? It means tenant farmers or Indian peasants. Punished. 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 Punished means abused. Transformation. TRANSFORMATION. Transformation means change. Suitable. 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 Suitable means acceptable. Marriage. 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 Marriage means wedding. Celebrated. 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 Now celebrate means you celebrate your birthday, right? Now means you're happy. So you celebrate your birthday on happy occasion. So you celebrate that occasion. Splendor. SPLENDOUR. Splendor. Splendor means magnificent, glory. Children, this is the content outline of this part, what we are going to study in this part. But before that, we will revise all 4 parts. Means a quick recap of all 4 parts. So in part 1 means beginning of Shivaji's education, what we studied in that. I'll revise it again. So be attentive and listen carefully. Shivaji's parents, Shahaji Raje and mother Jijabai, took great interest in Shivaji's education. Shahaji Raje was a Sanskrit scholar himself, and he had a lot of scholars and artists at his Bangalore court. Shahaji Raje thus selected talented teachers for Shivaji. Shivaji's education started at the age of 7. Shivaji learned reading and writing. He also learned stories from Ramayana, Mahabharata and Bhagavad Gita. He also learned different skills of war and administration. He also learned wrestling, how to ride a horse, how to use a sword and Danpatta. Now that time Adil Shah sent Shahaji Raje on a campaign to capture the kingdoms of the south. At that time, Shivaji and Jijabai were at Bangalore. Since Shahaji had to go on a campaign, he sent Shivaji and Jijabai to Pune. Along with Shivaji and Jijabai, Shahaji Raje sent many horses, elephants, soldiers, money, flags, and trusted men and excellent teachers. In part 2, Rejuvenation of Pune, we studied when Shivaji came to Pune, he remembered the days of his childhood. He was very happy to see the tall peaks of the Sahyadri again. Pune was a nice small town at that time. Adil Shah had totally destroyed it and burnt it. Houses and temples were broken. People had run away from the town. Fields were left barren. Forest had grown everywhere. Wolves and thieves were roaming everywhere. The condition of Pune was very bad. When people heard that Shivaji and Jijabai had come back to Pune, they were very happy. Jijabai called them and reassured them that they are safe in Pune now. People started settling in Pune, cultivating their lands. Temples were repaired. Worship began morning and evening. Slowly, life started returning to normal. Festivals were celebrated once again. Thus, Pune was totally transformed. In part 3, we studied about Dadaji Kondev. Now, who was Dadaji Kondev? Dadaji Kondev was loyal and trusted servant of Shahaji Raje. Dadaji was the Subedar of Kondana Fort. Dadaji was perfect in his accounts and was very disciplined. On Shahaji's instructions, Dadaji came to Pune to help Shivaji with the administration of Pune. A big residence was built on the orders of Shahaji Raje. And for whom? For Shivaji and Jijabai. This was called as Lal Mahal. Dadaji encouraged farmers a lot. He did not make them to pay taxes for few years and made them farm their land once again. He gave farmers seeds, plows, wells as a help. He gave prizes for destroying wolves which harassed the farmers and the people. There were a lot of robbers who were robbing the people, who were troubling the people. Dadaji organized the farmers into groups and they kept a watch and captured these robbers. Dadaji then fixed land revenue according to the quality of the land. The people were thus very happy. Dadaji taught Shivaji how to look after the people, decide the rules and give people justice. He also taught Shivaji things like spear throwing, archery and horsemanship. Now in part 4, we studied about how Jijabai taught Shivaji. So Jijabai was not an ordinary woman. She was the daughter of Lakhuji Rao Jadhav of Sindhkhet and wife of brave and valiant Shahaji Raje. She was a freedom-loving person. She had learnt through bitter experience that however much a Maratha Sardar displayed valor, it was not appreciated in the courts of the sultans. She had valiantly faced the shock of her father's murder in the open court at the instigation of Nizam Shah. She had resolved that her son Shivaji would never be engaged in the services of others. He would establish the rule of his own people. Now the people living in Mawal region were known as Mawlas. They were brave, hard-working and quick-footed. The Sultan really harassed them and they had no support. Yes, they had no support. Shivaji felt really bad for these people. They were constantly on the run. He would talk to Jijabai about this. He wanted to do something for these people. Jijabai would encourage Shivaji to do good for the people. She told Shivaji that he was a descendant of Rama and Krishna, so can also kill wicked people and make people happy. Jijabai was already upset at the terrible way in which her father and brothers were killed. So she wanted himself, so she wanted him to establish his own kingdom. In this way, yes, in this way, he was encouraged. Who was encouraged? Yes, Shivaji was encouraged. Now, in this part, we are going to study about the new regime of Shivaji and Shivaji's marriage. I will tell you this in short and later on I'll explain you in detail. Now, in part 5 means the new regime of Shivaji. With the support of Jijabai and Dadaji Kondev, Shivaji took charge of Pune. Shahji sent very good administrator to help Shivaji look after the Jagir well. There were people like Shamrao Nilkant, Peshwe, Balkrishna Hanmante, Muzumdar, Mankoji Dahatonde, Sarnobat, Raghunath Ballal, Sabnis, Sonopant, Dabir. The people in Shivaji's Jagir were very happy. They felt like they were living in Swaraj itself. In this way, the town of Pune got a totally new look. Shivaji turned 14 years old and his wedding to Saibai was fixed. In those days, people married at a very early age. Saibai was from the Nimbalkar family of Fulton. The wedding was celebrated in style at the Lal Mahal. So children, as Shivaji was a young adult, a lot of exciting battles and conquest started happening in his life. Now we will learn in detail. The new regime of Shivaji. Now regime means administration. In Pune Jagir, the new administration has already started. Who started? Yes, Shivaji. Under whose guidance? Mother Jijabai. Now Shahaji Raje had already made all the preparations for this. When Shahaji Raje sent Shivaji and Jijabai from Bangalore to Pune, he sent very powerful and reputed people with them. And they were, children, here on the screen you can see the names of the reputed people with the designation. Now Samraj Nilkant Peshwe. Peshwe is the designation. Balkrishna Hanmante Muzumdar. Muzumdar is the designation. Mankoji Dahatonde Sarnobat. Sarnobat is the designation. Raghunath Ballal Sabnis. Sabnis is the designation. Now what is designation? Means a post. Sonopant Dabir. Dabir is the designation. These were all able men fit to administer an independent kingdom. Shahaji Raje had specially deputed them. Specially deputed means appointed them to Pune to help Shivaji to govern his Jagir efficiently. Now, with the help of these people, Shivaji began to administer. With their help, Shivaji started to administer his Jagir, to attend the people's complaints. Yes, he started to listen people's complaints as a king. So those who were inflicted, who were imposed injustice upon the riot means tenant farmers who who were punished. So he started listening to all the complaints. In this way, Shahaji Raje's Jagir was undergoing a transformation. The Mawlas got a glimpse of the future Swaraj, that Shivaji, yes, he's going to become a king. Shivaji's marriage. In those days, people married at a very early age. So, Jijamata said, we should now get Shivba married. Now, as I told you before, that Shivba was a pet name for Shivaji. That mother used to call Shivaji as Shivba. Then a search of a suitable bride for Shivba began. Soon she found, now who found? Yes, Jijabai found the girl she wanted, and her name was Saibai. Saibai came from Nimbalkar's family of Fulton. The marriage was celebrated with a great pomp, with splendor. Children, we will take a quick recap of this part. In Pune Jagir, the new regime of Shivaji began under the guidance of Jijabai. Shahaji Raje had already made the preparations for this. With the help of powerful and prestigious people, Shivaji began to administer his Jagir to attend the people's grievances. In this way, Shahaji Raje's Jagir was undergoing a transformation. The Mawlas got a glimpse of future Swaraj. In those days, people married at a very early age. So, Jijamata said, we would now get Shivba married. Soon she found the girl she wanted. Her name was Saibai. Saibai came from the Nimbalkar's family. The marriage was celebrated with great splendor. Children, we will start with our assessment. Fill in the blanks by choosing the correct option. Your first fill in the blank. Dash said we should now get Shivba married. We should now get Shivba married. And who said that? Shahaji Raje or Jijabai? Options are there in front of you. Shahaji Raje or Jijabai. Who said that? You have to click on the correct answer. Yes, Jijabai. Next one. The Mawlas got a glimpse of the future dash. Swaraj or Jagir? Yes. Which one is the correct option? Swaraj. Good one. And the next. Shahaji Raje had specially deputed powerful and prestigious people to Pune to help dash govern his Jagir efficiently. Sonopant Dabir, Shivaji Maharaj. To help whom? Sonopant Dabir or Shivaji Maharaj? Yes, and the correct answer is Shivaji Maharaj. Children, you all will revise all the videos of this chapter and all the new words once again. You can write all the new words 3 times even. Thank you.